Hey guys, welcome to the 17th lesson of this series. We hope you're excited. Today's new lesson is based on Tal Ek Tal. It has 12 matras and the breakup is there in two ways. I hope you remember it. In today's lesson, we'll be using the Dimatric breakup. We hope you're doing good with the lessons. Today's Alankar is a compact one, therefore, enjoy the Alankar to your fullest while we play it together. Well, without any further ado, let's go to today's lesson. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to us yet, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any important updates when we upload anything new. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the tempo will be same for both the lays. In today's part, we will teach you how to play the Alankar in Vilambit lay and Madhya lay together, that is slow speed and medium speed. Now let's look at the Alankar which we are going to learn today to play with the harmonium. You can note down the Alankar in your notebook too. At first, we have ascending order. Now, descending order. The tempo in which we will play both the lays is 110 BPM and the pitch will be B2. We'll play both the lays together, therefore kindly focus when we are shifting from one lay to another. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilambit and Madhyalay at 110 ppm, and with this today's part ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today, and don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the second part of the 17th lesson of the harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.